and what is up everyone? I'm Ab and welcome to episode 152 of Does This Taste Good? Today's episode we're going to be combining Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal with orange juice. Does this taste good? I have no idea, but as always, let's get to the kitchen and let's find out. Does this taste good? Alright, once again we're in the kitchen. So to begin, a bowl and a spoon. Obviously, we're having cereal, so Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Just happens to be one of my favorite cereals. And this box won't open properly. Oh, man. Alright, question. Are you the type of person who puts the cereal in the bowl first and then puts the liquid on top? Or are you like me and put the liquid in the bowl first and then just sprinkle your cereal on top so that it never gets soggy? That's what I do. But for this video, I will put the cereal in first. A nice helping of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Now, the orange juice. This is no pulp Tropicana orange juice. So, does this taste good? Only one way to find out. Let's do it. That's interesting. It's like a full breakfast kind of thing because you got your cereal and then you got your fruit juice and it tastes good. Huh. Yeah, if you don't have any milk and you have some orange juice and you want to eat some cereal, I'd say go for it. The cinnamon goes well with the orange for some reason, but it's really good. Very good suggestion. Very yummy. Hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions for me, please feel free to comment them down below and I will for sure get to them. Till next time, take care, stay safe, don't forget to dance, and I'll catch you later.